Satnaran, sir. Continue with the next name. I request my friend Dr. G. Naresh Reddy, the convener of this program, to speak about this occasion.
Good morning, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, the teachers from various places, and students, friends. Yeah, I want to introduce the seminar. What are the things that are forced me to think on this particular topic? A scholar from Iran by name Hamad, who pursued his doctoral work under my guidance on the topic titled Capital Market Fraudulent Financial Practices and Investor Protection Role of SEBI. In continuation with this, I had applied for major research project under the University Grants Commission and was sanctioned the major research project. This could take a shape of two-day national seminar placed before you. On 28th July 2016, my friend Dr. A. Patrick and I have participated in a workshop organized at Center for Economic and Social Sciences, that is CES, Hyderabad, on the topic 25 years of economic reforms, remembering Sri P.V. Narasimha Rao Garu. This workshop concludes that there is a positive impact of economic reforms on the Indian economy. These 25 years of economic reforms and 28 years of capital market regulators' existence led to rapid changes in the securities markets in terms of theory, new financial instruments, innovative trading practices, numerous regulatory changes. A laundry list of few changes include guidelines for real estate investment trusts, real estate mutual funds, crowdfunding norms, safety net for retail investors in the new share sales, launching of interest rate futures twice, registering collective investment schemes, municipal bonds, deepening of corporate bond market, startups listing regulations, foreign currency exchange traded futures, high frequency or algorithmic trading, etc. These are the changes that I have observed from the market. I have a doubt in my mind that the market regulator has played a reactive or proactive role in these initiatives that we have to deliberate. Series of these changes have created a mix of the good governance as a few bad governance practices in the securities market. These bad governance practices led to fraudulent financial practices in the Indian capital market. We all know the cases of Harshad Mehta, C.R. Bansali, Ketan Parekh, IPO demat scam, Satyam, Sahara, India Parivar investor fund fraud, Speak Asia, Sharada Group financial scandal, NACL scam, etc. The number of fraudulent cases may be in hundreds, but the number of investors affected and money lost by them are in lakhs and crores of rupees. This is the high time to gather on a common platform by the academicians, practicing managers, professional bodies, investors, investor associations, market intermediaries, market regulators, research scholars and students to deliberate discussions on the theme of this seminar. This two-day national seminar on fraudulent financial practices in Indian capital market issues and concerns is aimed to identify financial frauds nature. This is the first technical session. Dynamics, securities trading and settlement issues under the second technical session. Investors' grievances and redressal mechanism under the third technical session. Role of regulatory system as the fourth technical session. In addition to these four technical sessions, we have one panel discussion. We have invited the industry guests to deliberate on the issue under the panel discussion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Naresh, for enlightening us with the objective of this seminar. Now I request our Chairman Board of Studies, Professor V. Anand Kumar sir, to speak on this occasion.
Good morning to everyone. I want to say a few words. The government of India has accepted the globalization as an engine of our growth. In tune with that, it has announced new economic policy in 1991. After introducing that new economic policy, so many scams were unearthed. The amount that was involved in all these scams, that was more or less equivalent to that of the GDP that we have generated from 1947 till date. And I presume that all these scams were taken place with or without connivance of accountants, chartered accountants, other financial experts operating at different levels. Because the simple reason is, in every company you will have chartered accountants. Every company will have to get it audit its own reports. Everybody is aware of all these things. And some time back, about 4 or 5 years back, I started working on financial scams, 1947 to 2005 or so, 2012. But because of some disturbances, I could not complete that one. Okay, that's a different one. At that time only, I came to know that the amount that was involved was more than the GDP that we have generated. Okay, 25 years were over after introducing new economic policy. At last, we have taken up this aspect. I request the convener of the seminar, you send a proposal to include some aspects of the deliberation of this seminar, to include these aspects at UG level or PG level in forthcoming batches. As a chairman, I'll try to incorporate them as far as possible. So regarding that, I am assuring the convener to do so. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now it's my turn to invite senior teacher, Professor H. Venkateshlu sir, to speak on this occasion.
Very good morning to all the participants, Honorable Vice Chancellor, dignitaries on the dais. It's a long list of speakers, so I prefer to say very less. We have been doing these programs very successfully. I congratulate the head and Professor Lakshman Gaddam and our young teacher Dr. Naresh Reddy and their team for a wonderful organization of this seminar. As you know, we are witnessing in the inaugural itself. Honorable Vice Chancellor has kindly accepted to grace this occasion. Very recently, just about a day before I was given a new job by the Vice Chancellor. Usmania University is entering 100 years. I propose 100 years of centenary celebrations. We are going to start from April 2017, April 26, 2017 to next 1 year long celebrations And we are a very big community as a commerce. We are a big family, and the celebrations will not be confined only to the campus and constituent colleges. I request all there are some principals also here, and many are from different affiliated colleges. Please design some program to coincide in the whole year, and these kind of seminars, it's very fitting, and definitely they can help us. And probably I propose to our head of the department, next July we can think of some area, one international conference to coincide with the centenary celebrations. We are doing the academic activity, and also we are fulfilling the objective of participating in a big way the centenary celebrations. I wish the program a grand success. Once again, I congratulate the head and his team for organizing a wonderful program. Thank you very much.